special care. Hello, Mr. Matt. How are you today? We're just fine. Hello, everybody. How are you? It's nice to see you here today. Hello, at home. How are you? It's nice to see you here today. Hello, at school. How are you? It's nice to see you here today. Hello, everybody, everywhere. It's nice to see you here today. Okay, today we're going to work on our sign language for the I Miss You song. We're going to talk a little bit about finding beauty wherever you are. And we're going to compare notes. I wonder what you heard when you went outside. Right? But first, let's do some breathing. Let's do 3 drain breaths, okay? We'll put our arms out like this, and we'll pull all of the air up into our hands, and we'll let it out. Again. One more time. That's it. And we also want to send out a wish well to everybody who's having a hard time, whether it's from staying home and being stir crazy, or being ill, or worried about being sick. We want to give a big old wish well to every single person who needs it today. Ready? We wish you well, we wish you well, all through the day today, we wish you well. That's it. So again, I want you to try to learn this new song, the I Miss You song. We can sing it together, we can sing it to each other, and it may just be helpful if you know this tune. By the end of the week, you'll know what to listen for inside the orchestra music with your listening ears. Many. This means lots. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. Days with the letter D. We with the letter W that makes a giant circle to include everybody. We've been far apart. Is close together and you pull them apart. And I love all my family. So we take 2 letter F's for family that start together and then they come around like this. Family. I love my family. And my friends. You got your 2 fingers over like this. And I miss, so again, we're pointing at your chin. I miss them with all, scoop it all up of my heart. Miss them with all my heart. I can't, so we take 1 finger and I can't wait till I see them again. So you have 1 hand up and the other hand comes into it again. Then we say, I miss you and you miss me. In one day, all together we'll be. Which I know that this means together. And according to the American Sign Language website, this means a get together. Like we're going to get together, right? Many days we have been far apart, and I love all my family and friends, though I miss them with all of my heart. I can't wait till I see them again. I miss you, you miss me. And one day all together we'll be. I miss you, you miss me. And one day all together we'll be. That's it. That's our new song that we're trying to learn. And repetition just happens to be the sharpest tool in my teaching kit, so we're going to do it almost every day this week. Now, I'm wondering what you heard when you went outside. Did you make a list? Do you remember your list in your head? When we played our game yesterday, we heard lawnmowers and dogs and trains. We heard somebody else's music. We heard birds and insects. What did you hear when you were outside? I'm going to wait for 5 seconds to listen to you tell me what you heard. Wow! You heard so many things when you were outside. That's great. All of those different sounds can mix together and they can make one big sound with many, many pieces, right? Just like the orchestra can make a big sound with lots of different instruments. The sounds that you hear when you're outside might be made of 6 or 7 different noises. The sounds that you hear when you are outside might be made out of just 1 or 2 noises. I don't know. And it changes all the time. And I wonder, did you think those sounds were beautiful? Did you enjoy hearing those sounds? Some people think that all of those different noises that you might hear are pretty. The sound of a bird chirping can be very pretty. The sound of the wind in the leaves can be very beautiful. The sound of a group of people playing together and talking nicely can sound really, really pretty. But some of those noises, maybe you don't like them. Maybe they were too loud, or they remind you of something weird. I don't know. But beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And if you lived in like a big city, like we talked about yesterday, and you were looking for beautiful things, let's say like flowers, you would have to look very, very closely because they would not grow anywhere. They would have to find special places to grow where there's a little bit of dirt and grass. And sometimes those places are hard to find in a big city. So I want you to look at this book with me. It's called Sidewalk Flowers. Sidewalk Flowers is a book with no words. You get to use your eyes to watch the story. And the story here is, can this little girl in her coat find beautiful flowers all over the city? Let's look together. And we're going to load the book Sidewalk Flowers by Joe Arno Lawson and Sydney Smith. Look at this girl. She's walking with her dad through a very big city. I wonder if she can hear some of those noises. She sees lots of people, and look! She finds some yellow flowers. She thinks they're very pretty, so she's going to take the yellow flowers with her and keep walking. Walking through the city. Here, oh, look. She was watching very closely and she found some purplish, pinkish flowers to go with her yellow flowers. Oh, look at that. Where's she going? She found more flowers? Wow. And more again? She's very good at looking everywhere very closely. And she can see the flowers are growing in lots and lots of different places. Oh, she's running to catch back up with Dad or Uncle. whoever that is, walking with him. Now they're going to go into a park. Do you think she can find some more flowers in the park? Let's see. Walking, walking. Oh, she sees something on the sidewalk. Can you see that on the sidewalk? What is that? Oh, it's a dead bird. She sees a dead bird. I wonder what she did. She shared her flowers with that bird. That's very, very kind. I wonder if she'll share her flowers again. Walking with Dad through the park. There's a guy asleep on the bench, and she gives flowers to him too. Man, she's really good at sharing her flowers that she found. Do you think she'll give them to the dog? Yep. Look in the back of that dog's collar. He's wearing the flowers that she shared. She's really good at finding flowers, and she's really good at sharing them. They're going to go home. Look at that. She's going to give her mom a hug. She's going to go into the backyard. Mama's watching. She put flowers in Mom's hair. What does Mama watch her do? She put flowers in her brother's hair, in the baby stroller. My goodness, they have lots of beautiful flowers in their backyard. She found so many flowers. That's cool. Have you been able to find anything blooming in your yard recently? Did you pick it up? Did you share it? Are you allowed to? Sometimes you're not. Sometimes you are. Ask an adult if you don't know. All right. Today we practiced our song. We talked a little bit about hunting and looking for things that are beautiful. We followed that girl when she walked through the city and picked up flowers all over the sidewalk and shared them with people. And tomorrow, we're going to play some more listening games, and we're going to start reading our book, all about one of my favorite pieces of music. So bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, Mr. Matt. Have a good day today. We sure will. Bye, everybody.